Hey there, bookworms and budding authors. Welcome back to my Makes It With AI channel, your cozy corner of creativity here on YouTube. I'm your host, that AI chick, and today we're diving into a suite of tools called tangent templates, created by a pair of KDP authors for the purpose of creating great books to sell online easier. As an author, are you tired of spending hours wrestling with formatting nightmares? Or maybe you're on the hunt for the perfect template to bring your notebooks and planners to life. Maybe you're looking for a faster way to create unique notebooks, planners, journals, and other kinds of books. Well, buckle up, because Tangent Templates is here to help make your life so much easier. From basic essentials to specialty papers and dynamic layouts, Tangent Templates is like a candy store for bookmakers. But it's not just about templates. This product is actually like a Swiss Army knife of tools designed to make your book creation process a breeze. Tangent Templates is a game changer for anyone creating books. It's a one-time purchase. Then this software program will equip you with a massive library of pre-designed templates and other powerful tools to streamline your bookmaking workflow. Whether you're a seasoned author or just starting out, Tangent Templates can save you time and frustration. So let's jump right in and explore exactly what Tangent Templates offers. We're talking a massive collection here that caters to almost any kind of book project you can imagine. From blank paper to all kinds of lined or graph papers, you'll find all the fundamental building blocks for your books here. Music paper, story paper, hexagons, half and half layouts, and even specialized practice paper for various writing styles such as calligraphy or cursive practice pages are in here. How about comic book storyboards, various kinds of review books, or checklists? What else? Well, you could liven up your children's books or activity books with pre-designed game templates. You could also take things a step further by using their dynamic templates. Imagine creating yearly planners that automatically adjust dates based on your chosen time frame. So this is just a glimpse of the vast template library you'll find inside Tangent Templates. They're all readily available for download and customization once you've bought the tools. And Tangent Templates goes way beyond pre-designed templates. Here are some additional features they offer that will make your bookmaking life even better. The KDP Helper. This is one tool I use all the time and is definitely a favorite. Struggling with formatting your KDP book? This tool provides all the information you need, including dimensions, margins, and even template downloads for popular design software like Canva and more. Next up is the Listing Helper. Using this tool, you can create great book descriptions using the guidance from the Listing Helper. And there is even a Chrome extension if you want to use it. Here's the pricing calculator. This tool will help you estimate your potential royalty earnings on KDP based on book type, page count, and pricing if you want that information. The Tangent Builder is next. The Tangent Builder within Tangent Templates allows you to create no or low content KDP books fast and easy using its library of pre-designed templates. It can save you time, streamline your workflow, and more. The More Tools area within Tangent Templates is next. In here you'll find a PDF inspector, an image converter, a DPI calculator, a fun pen name generator, a 3D book mockup maker, and more. You should have lots of fun using all the interesting tools inside here. These are just a few of the additional tools that Tangent Templates offers. It's a one-stop shop for everything you need to create and publish your books on KDP and beyond. One of the main things I like so much about this software is that it is always evolving. I have owned it since its first release way back when, and whenever it has upgrades, they are always included in your purchase price. Catherine and Isaac stand behind their product and offer support if you have any issues. Plus, they also have an exciting Facebook group, so let's take time to discuss one more big area and its exciting new features. I'm talking about Tangent Designer. Using this, you can design custom interior pages and even covers for your books. Choose your size, paper type, and add elements like text, shapes, and patterns. These options allow you to personalize your books and truly make them stand out and be completely different from everything else out there. This is a biggie. Tangent Designer has two options available to use: optimized and fully featured. The optimized version is designed to quickly create low-content books and functions in the same way as the previous version, but with additional color options. This newest software, the fully featured version, allows you to quickly create coloring books or art books, make a cover design, add images and fonts to your project, and much more. Take your pick. Using Tangent Designer, you can now work on a hardback cover, a paperback cover, or interior pages. Now, as a beginner, there might be a slight learning curve involved, especially with the Tangent Designer. Don't worry, Tangent Templates offers a wealth of video tutorials and have a great support system to answer any questions you might have. Also, it's important to ensure Tangent Templates integrates well with your preferred design software for creating custom covers or editing templates. If you are using Canva, Adobe, Affinity, Keynote, or PowerPoint, you should have fewer issues. While Tangent Templates is fantastic for KDP authors, its usefulness extends way beyond that. If you're looking to create unique notebooks, planners, or any kind of low-content book, this software can be a valuable asset. You can also leverage its interior design tools and features like prompt journals or planners to design and sell printables. Plus, it will help you save so much time. Why do I like this software so much? As an author myself, I use it all the time to make all sorts of books and a lot more. Plus, I really like that Tangent Templates is a one-time purchase, which means you pay once and get lifetime access to all its features and future updates. This makes it a fantastic investment compared to other subscription-based design softwares out there. The link to Tangent Templates is in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so if you buy through that link, I may receive a small commission at no extra cost to you. Overall, Tangent Templates is a powerful tool that can significantly streamline your KDP book creation process or any project involving low-content or no-content books. With its vast library of templates, dynamic features, and additional resources, Tangent Templates can be a game-changer for authors, educators, and anyone looking to create unique printable content. So, if you're ready to ditch the book formatting headaches and unleash your creativity, check out Tangent Templates today. Leave a comment below and let me know what kind of books you're planning to create with Tangent Templates. And if this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and share this video with your fellow authors. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.